Characteristics of covalent compounds. 1. Physical state. The covalent compounds may exist in any physical state, that is, it may exist as solids, liquids, or gases. 2. Low melting and boiling points. The covalent compounds usually possess low melting and boiling points. This is because the intermolecular forces existing between them are usually weak and can be overcome easily by comparatively less amount of heat. Give reason questions and fill in the blank question. 3. Nature of covalent solids. Covalent solids are neither hard nor brittle. Their crystals can easily be broken. This is because unlike ionic crystals, no charged species exist in a covalent solid. Solubility. Covalent compounds are generally insoluble in water. Give reason question. This is because no electrostatic force of attraction exists between the constituent species of a covalent compound, and high dielectric constant of water remains ineffective to pull them apart. Some covalent compounds are soluble in water due to hydrogen bonding. These are certain exceptions. They are soluble. The reason is hydrogen bonding. Covalent compounds are readily soluble in non-polar organic solvents such as benzene, toluene, ether, etc. Fifth point, electrical conductivity. Covalent compounds do not possess positively or negatively charged ion. In the absence of ions, these compounds usually do not conduct electricity in the fused or in the dissolved state. Fill in the blank question. Sixth one, stereoisomerism. The covalent bonds are rigid and directional. These bonds formed by sharing of electrons and remain in specific directions in the space. Therefore, covalent compounds are able to show all types of stereoisomerism. Fill in the blank question. Choose the correct answer. Seventh one, molecular reactions. During the interaction of two covalent compounds, their molecules as a whole take part in the reaction. Such reactions are called molecular reactions. These reactions are usually quite slow. Here the comparison, ionic compounds, the ionic bond or ionic reactions are very fast. Whereas the covalent compounds, when they dissolve in water, they exist as in the form of molecule, therefore the reaction is very slow. Then, comparison of electrovalency and covalency. Chemistry textbook, page number 203, a table is given. Comparison of electrovalent and covalent compounds are given, which are already all the points we discussed, but they are arranged in the form of a table which will help you to write, give reason questions, fill in the blank question, choose the correct answer questions very easily. Therefore, copy that table into your notebook.